Afsan Farm Kitchen, a food recipe and nutrition channel for viewers like you.
Hello, you lovely people. Let's talk about food that makes you feel good. Food that's full of sunshine and life. That, my friends, is the heart of Mediterranean cooking. It's all about beautiful, fresh ingredients treated with a bit of love and respect. Gorgeous, golden olive oil, fragrant herbs, zesty punch of a brilliant lemon. It's simple, honest, and absolutely delicious. Creating a little moment of happiness, a taste of a holiday at home. Celebrating ingredients, not overcomplicating. Now, our star player, the humble shrimp. What a fantastic little creature. Shrimp cook in a flash, perfect for quick weeknights. Little sponges soaking up Mediterranean flavors. Pan-sear them, stew them, skewer them on the grill. Right then, let's get organized. The secret to a stress-free, super quick meal is all in the planning. Before you even think about turning on the stove, you need to get your ingredients together. Think of it as your mise en place, a fancy French term that just means getting everything in its place. For our Mediterranean shrimp adventure, the shopping lists are beautifully simple. We're not after a trolley load of obscure items. We're focusing on quality basics that deliver a massive punch of flavor. For each method, you'll need our hero, the shrimp, alongside a few key players that define that beautiful, sun-kissed taste we're all craving. Let's break it down. For our first method, the zesty lemon garlic shrimp, you'll need a list that sings with freshness. Beautiful raw shrimp peeled and deveined to save you a job. A good quality olive oil. This is the backbone of our flavor. A few cloves of garlic. A lovely unwaxed lemon for its zest and juice, some dried oregano, and a bunch of fresh, vibrant parsley. That's it, see? Simple. These ingredients work together to create a dish that is light, aromatic, and incredibly Moorish. Okay, aprons on. Time to cook. We're starting with the quickest and zippiest, lemon garlic shrimp. This is a 5-minute marvel. Have everything prepped by the pan because once you start, it all happens very fast. Get your shrimp and pat them completely dry with a paper towel. This is a crucial tip. A dry shrimp will sear and turn golden. A wet one will steam. Season. A good pinch of salt, some black pepper, your dried oregano. Grab a large frying pan and put it on medium-high heat. Let it get nice and hot. Drizzle in a couple tablespoons of olive oil and let it shimmer. In go the sliced garlic cloves. Cook garlic about 30 seconds until fragrant. Keep it moving so it doesn't burn. Garlic-infused oil. Time for the shrimp. Tip them in and arrange in a single layer. Don't overcrowd. Cook in batches if needed. Listen for the sizzle. Cook 1 to 2 minutes on the first side. Watch them turn pink and opaque from the bottom up. Leave them to get a golden crust. Flip them over. Cook another minute on the other side. Nearly done. Pink and curled into a C. Take the pan off the heat. Squeeze in the lemon juice. Sprinkle over the zest. Toss to coat the shrimp in the garlicky, zesty oil. Moving on to our second method, the beautiful tomato and olive shrimp stew. This one takes a few more minutes, but it's still incredibly quick and rustic and comforting. Heat olive oil in a saucepan over medium. Add chopped onion. Add a pinch of salt. Cook gently about 5 minutes until soft and translucent. This builds our first layer of flavor. Add minced garlic. Add smoked paprika. Stir constantly about a minute until fragrant. Toasting wakes the spices up. Pour in chopped tomatoes. Add dried basil. Stir. Bring to a gentle simmer. Let bubble for about 10 minutes. Sauce reduces and flavors meld. While it simmers, get on with other things. After 10 minutes, the aroma will fill the kitchen. Time for the final additions. Stir in sliced Kalamata olives. Gently add the shrimp to the sauce. Shrimp cook right in the simmering sauce. Right, the cooking is done, and you've created 3 absolutely stunning dishes. Now for the best part, serving it all up and tucking in. How you serve these dishes can elevate them from a simple meal into a proper feast. Let's start with that glorious lemon garlic shrimp. Because it's so light and zesty, it's crying out for something to mop up that incredible buttery garlicky sauce. A chunk of warm, crusty bread is an absolute must. Just tear and dip. It's heaven. Toss the shrimp and pan juices through freshly cooked pasta. Serve it over a bed of fluffy couscous. Our hearty tomato and olive shrimp stew is a meal in itself. Serve it in a rustic bowl with a generous dollop of cool, creamy yogurt, or a spoonful of tzatziki on top to contrast the warmth. Try it over a simple bed of white rice, or over creamy polenta to soak up that tomatoey sauce. A simple green salad on the side, dressed with a little lemon juice and olive oil. The garlic herb shrimp skewers are all about relaxed, informal eating.
Hungry for something new? We bring you the taste of the Mediterranean and the world beyond. From sun-kissed Greek shores to the spice markets of Beirut, from Italy's cozy kitchens to the heart of California's orchards, discover recipes that connect cultures and stories. Learn to cook, feel the flavor, and taste the history. Watch the world taste the world, right here. Afsan Farm Media Production, where food meets culture and every dish tells a story.
Thank you for spending your time with us today. Here at Afsan Farm Kitchen, we believe great food doesn't have to be complicated to be extraordinary. Every recipe we share comes straight from the heart of Mediterranean and Middle Eastern culture. Fresh ingredients, bold flavors, and traditions passed down through generations. We're all about making cooking fun, healthy, and totally doable for your busy life. Whether you're a kitchen beginner or a seasoned home cook, we've got something for you. From simple weeknight dishes to vibrant feasts that bring family and friends together around the table. Our videos show you each step with clarity, confidence, and that little spark of creativity that turns a meal into a moment. And this channel isn't just about food. It's about lifestyle, wellness, and connecting with the roots of what we eat. We take you behind the scenes into farm-fresh ingredients, the stories behind iconic dishes, and the cultural experiences that make every bite meaningful. When you cook with us, you're not just preparing dinner, you're tasting history, creativity, and community. If you enjoyed today's recipe, imagine what's coming next. We've got plenty of exciting dishes, clever cooking hacks, and global flavors ready to drop. And we'd love for you to be part of every moment. So before you go, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notifications, because the next great meal is just one video away. Stay inspired, stay hungry, stay connected. This is Afsan Farm Kitchen, where fresh living meets unforgettable flavor. See you in the next one.